high and low are ideas that we will find in all of our moves. You're going to notice, right now we're going to do some warm-up, and you're going to notice that we can twist high and low. We can balance high and low. But some of these moves over here in the locomotor, sometimes they're high, sometimes they're low, and sometimes they're a little bit of both. So what I'm going to do, I'm not sure if I really like this, but I'm going to try this. I'm going to write the word high.
In the middle.
And you know why? Because I feel like all of these moves share the fact that they're in some level. Whether they are high and low, we're not sure. But maybe they're high, which is the same thing as up. All right?
Low.
Or maybe they are low.
We could say bottom.
Like the bottom. Very good. Or
And
down.
like the floor.
So the big question today, boys and girls, the big question in our mind is, where are we doing this? Are we doing it high in the air? Or are we doing it low, closer to the carpet or ground? To do our warm-up, I'm going to ask my friends to spread out on the carpet facing this way. Miss Nuong is actually, I'm going to do little bit of a warm-up, and then you're going to do the other half of the warm-up. And the only way I'm looking at it is high and low, each of these things. So we're going to explore high and low of each. I brought music today from a part of the country or of the planet called Latin America, where they speak Spanish, and this is music from Peru. It's Andean music, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's have you stand up, spread out on the carpet, facing this way. Absolutely, I think the farthest maybe would be right about here. So boys and girls, find a space for yourself. Find a perfect X. Walk around and find an empty place where you can dance. Good. And stop there. That's a good spot for you. Good. This is a good spot for you right here, my dear. Diego, this is a great spot for you. I think Ebony needs to move, though, because she's a little too close to you. There you go. Pick one spot. Which one is it? There you go. Good.
Your bubble's going to burst.
Alexis, let's have you come right here, sweetie. Good. Carmen, right here. Good. And face in this direction. Junior. Hey, Nathaniel, this can be your spot right there. Junior's got a great spot. Sara B, why don't you get closer, a little bit closer, sweetie? And Andrea, you can come a little bit closer, like between these guys. There you go. Nice. Very, very, very nice. Okay. So remember axial? Remember the roots of a tree? Remember that, boys and girls?
Yeah.
Okay.
You need to stop.
You need to stop. Okay, so make your X. Stand in it. Imagine, close your eyes and imagine you are the trunk of a tree, and you can feel that at your toes are growing roots into the ground that are holding you there. Imagine that the wind blows you side to side, and your body stays in the ground like a trunk. Good. Yesterday was a stormy day, and I was inside nice and warm looking at the outside, and I could see the trees in front of my house, and they were blowing kind of wildly because it was very windy. And then when it would stop raining, they would slow down, and then they would just be kind of waving. And then finally, after the storm was over, they became still again. So show me that, nice and still. There's no wind. Show me your branches. Show me your branches. Good. Now imagine there's a little breeze blowing. Okay, good. And then it gets a little stronger. But you're still rooted into the ground. Even stronger. And then it slows down. Slows down. And you're still rooted in your spot. Beautiful. Okay.